This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Welcome, it feels like home. Beautiful one-story 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with an open floor plan. Hardwood floors and carpet in living and bedrooms. Versatile flex room perfect for a dining room or at-home office. Kitchen opens to spacious living room and has high breakfast bar. Large master bedroom split from other bedrooms. Master bath has walk-in shower, double sinks, and double closets. Good-sized secondary bedrooms. Large backyard and oversized back patio, great for entertaining friends and family. Schedule your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.